G'day and welcome to my channel, Travel with Tegan. I'm Tegan Marshall and I'm super passionate about helping women in their 40s and 50s to travel full time without having to become an influencer, without using their savings, without having to wait until retirement, and without going without anything or having to backpack or anything like that. So today I want to talk to you about a fantastic little thing that I have in my carry-on all the time, and that is a travel blanket. So these are very lightweight, they're very soft, they're very versatile, and we can use them for lots and lots of different things. This one comes with a nice little hang up thing, a little bit of elastic. You can use it for different things to actually tie around it for traveling and so on. But I tend to use this for so many different things. So obviously I use it as a towel sometimes as well. So especially for a hair towel, if we've only got 2 towels that are supplied in the hotel, which is rare, or 4 towels and we've used all 4 of them or something like that, and I want to use one for my hair, I'll actually use it. I also use it as a beach towel if we don't have one of those and we need it. You can also use it as a blanket. So I use this because often, like, my temperature runs differently to my husband's, so I'm always kind of colder, and so I really rely on this, and it's light enough, but it's just enough weight to kind of, to give me that warmth. I could also use it as a shawl, so if need be. So if I'm somewhere and I'm cold, then I can use it to keep warm as a nice shawl. I can also use it we've used it to block out light. So I've used it if the light on the air conditioner in the hotel room is really bright and you can't get to sleep because of it, then we've kind of hung this over the top of that. Or if the light on the TV or something like that is really bright, same sort of thing, we use it to cover that up. You can also use it, we've used it to block out light, so we always carry pegs, so we actually hung it on the window so that it would actually block out a street light that was coming in, so that was really handy. We've used it as a picnic rug. I've used it as a cushion, just in, to give that little bit of, if I had to sit on a hard seat in a conference, I've used that underneath me just to give me a little bit more comfy. And I've used it as a pillow, so if I roll it up when I'm traveling, then it's a great little pillow in flying as well. So these are fantastic travel blankets. There's quite a few of them that you can get. There's all different colours and everything like that, and I highly recommend having this in your carry-on. If you can't fit in your carry-on, at least have it in your packed luggage as well, because they're just so versatile. I've even used it actually to as a shawl, but also as a skirt when I didn't have anything to wrap around, so that I could go into a church in Europe and things like that. So comes in so handy, easy to wash, easy to dry, quick dry. This is a quick dry one as well, so it really helps if you're coming from the beach as well. It works as a beach towel, so really recommend. And I'll pop a couple of links down below to the ones that I think are really good for travel, and get yourself one and include that in your travel luggage. Okay, thanks so much for listening. If you like this tip, please give me the thumbs up, and subscribe, hit the notification little bell, and for more of this content and lots of other best pieces of content and resources to help you to be able to travel full time when you're in your 40s and 50s and do it comfortably. All right, thanks so much, and bye for now.